When you search for the best double oven for your kitchen, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to truly find the oven that meets your needs, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Ninja DCT 451 Double Oven. Let's kick things off with the Ninja DCT 451 Smart Double Oven. Priced at $394, this oven caught my eye with its sleek stainless steel design and impressive features. If you want to streamline your cooking and save time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Flex Door feature allows you to access just the top oven for quick meals or open the full door to cook 2 meals at once. This is perfect for busy nights when you need to get dinner on the table fast. Plus, the Flavor Seal technology keeps your flavors separate, so you won't end up with that weird mix of smells. The Smart Cook system means you can set it and forget it, thanks to a built-in thermometer that monitors your food's temperature. It's rated 4.5 stars from over 1,000 reviews, so people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the initial learning curve when using its multiple functions. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the versatility and time-saving benefits are incredible. It's not a deal breaker if you're willing to invest a little time up front. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves to multitask in the kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer a simple setup without the high-tech features. In terms of value for money, it really shines for families who need to cook multiple meals efficiently. Now, if the price of the Ninja DCT 451 is a bit steep for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 2, Ninja Double Oven Pro XL. Next up, we have the Ninja Double Oven Pro Smart XL, retailing at $379.99. This one is a powerhouse with a capacity that can handle up to 4.5 lb chickens, and the 30.2 QT size immediately stood out to me. If you're looking for an oven that adapts to your cooking needs, this one's worth considering. What's great here is the dual zone technology that allows you to cook 2 meals simultaneously with different settings, which is a game changer for busy families. The quartz heat technology ensures quick heating and even cooking, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to get dinner ready fast. Plus, with over 6,600 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear this oven has made a lot of cooks happy. However, some users mention that it can take up a bit of counter space. But honestly, if you're cooking frequently for a family or entertaining, that space is well worth it for the convenience and speed this oven brings. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable oven that can handle a variety of meals at once. Skip this one if you have limited counter space in your kitchen. For the features you get, the price is pretty reasonable, making it a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a little more cooking flexibility. Product number 3, Ninja Double Oven Pro Smart XL Cyberspace. Now we have another variant of the Ninja Double Oven Pro, this time in cyberspace color, priced at $329.99. This oven also boasts the 12-in-1 functionality and a family-sized capacity. If you want a stylish option that doesn't compromise on performance, check this one out. The air frying capability is a highlight too, giving you that crispy texture without the extra oil. With a similar rating of 4.4 stars, it's backed by a loyal customer base, showing it can deliver consistent quality. However, some users found the button controls a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once you get used to them, they make the cooking process smoother and more intuitive. It's not a deal breaker if you're okay with a small learning curve. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different cooking methods. Skip this one if you're looking for a straightforward, no-frills oven. The price is quite competitive for all the features you receive, making it a great option for those wanting variety in their cooking. If the aesthetics of this oven don't appeal to you, the next one brings a different flair while keeping all the essential features. Product number 4, Ninja DCT 801 Double Oven. Now let's talk about the Ninja DCT 801 Double Oven, priced at $349.99. This model retains the impressive functionality of Ninja ovens while introducing a sleek silver and black design. If you're after reliability and aesthetics, this one's worth your attention. Much like its predecessors, this oven features the dual-zone technology that allows for 2 different cooking methods at once, and the legendary Ninja air frying capability ensures your meals come out crispy and delicious. The quick heating means you won't be waiting long for meals to start cooking, which is fantastic for those on tight schedules. It also boasts a 4.4-star rating from over 6,600 reviews, so you can trust it's a solid choice. However, some users have pointed out that the size can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But honestly, if you're someone who cooks frequently and enjoys hosting, that size is a benefit as it allows for larger family meals. This is perfect for you if you value both function and style in your kitchen. Skip this one if you have a small space and prefer a compact oven. For what you get, the price is competitive, making it a worthwhile investment for serious home chefs. If the bulkiness of this model is concerning, the next option I'll show you is designed to fit into almost any kitchen space. Product number 5, Ninja DCT801BL Double Oven. Finally, we have the Ninja DCT801BL Double Oven, which is another excellent choice at $329.99. This version features the same outstanding capabilities as the previous model, but offers a more unique design. If you want a double oven with high performance in a stylish package, this could be your pick. The consistent performance and ease of use have earned it a solid 4.4-star rating from a large number of users. Cooking for a family has never been more efficient. On the downside, a few users have mentioned that the controls could use a little more clarity. Here's the thing though, once you familiarize yourself with the settings, it becomes second nature. It's not a deal breaker, especially if you value the cooking efficiency it offers. This is perfect for you if you enjoy having versatile cooking options without sacrificing style. Skip this one if you're looking for something very basic. The price is quite fair, especially given the range of features that come with it. To wrap it up, we explored 5 fantastic double ovens. The Ninja DCT451, the Ninja Double Oven Pro XL, the Ninja Double Oven Pro in cyberspace, the Ninja DCT801, and the Ninja DCT801BL. Each offers unique features that cater to different cooking styles and kitchen needs. Whether you're looking for speed, versatility, or style, there's a great option here for you.